A pleasant welcome to all my dear 7th standard children. Today we are going to see your next chapter from your biology. Yes, what is your next chapter? Yes, your next chapter is about excretory system. Right, you have learnt the other various organ system that functions in our body, right? Maybe in your lower standards, right? So, we know that all living beings perform various type of activities, various type of functions that are going inside our body, is it? So, we take in food, we take in oxygen, we circulate the necessary nutrients, oxygen inside our body, and also we have waste products, is it? So, these waste products has to be eliminated, that is should be removed from our body, right? Otherwise, our body will become like a garbage, is it? So, the wanted materials that is required for our body to function properly is being absorbed from the food, right? And then the waste materials are excreted from our body, right? So, today in this session, you are going to have a introduction about excretory system, right? So, we all know that there is a pair of kidneys that is present in our body. So, these are called as kidneys, right? So, of course, you know that the kidneys help in removing the waste products from our body, right? But you should also learn there are few more organs that help in excretion. So, what are they? Yes, so they are your lungs, skin, liver as well as your kidneys. So, these are all also act as an excretory organ where the lungs excrete your carbon dioxide. So, the carbon dioxide is considered as the waste product from our body. So, this carbon dioxide is eliminated, removed from our body. So, here the lung acts as an excretory organ. This next thing, your skin. So, from your skin you can excrete, you excrete the salts, water through sweat, right? So, when we sweat, the salt, the water, everything is excreted, removed from our body. It is coming out from our body. So, here also the skin acts as an excretory organ, right? And then liver. So, the liver also removes the waste products or it can be a toxic products from the blood. So, from the blood, the liver removes the waste products and it is eliminated from our body. And the last one, which is very, very important, which is act as a main excretory organ, which is known as kidneys, right? So, these kidneys act as an excretory organ in our body, right? So, now let us see what are the functions of the kidneys. So, here you can see there is a two pairs of kidneys, a pair of kidney, two kidneys that is present in our abdomen region, right. So, the kidney is covered. Here you can see the kidney is like a bean shaped structure, is it? Yes. So, the kidney is in the shape of a bean shaped structure and this kidney is present in our abdomen region at the back of our vertebral column, right? Both in the right side as well as left side. And this kidney is bean shaped structure and it is covered with a covering which is known as capsule. And you can also call the kidney as a renal. So, renal refers to kidneys, right? And then there is a pair of kidney that removes the waste products from our blood, right? So, the waste products can be the minerals, the extra minerals, water, everything is removed from the blood, okay. And the waste product is sent through the long tubules. So, here in our body you can see the kidney is present in the lower abdomen region. So, the kidney receives the blood and thereby from the blood inside the kidney we have a structural and functional unit which is known as nephrons. So, these nephrons removes the waste products from the blood. So, the kidney is about 10 to 12 centimeters length and 5 to 7 centimeters breadth and 1 to 2 centimeters thickness. So, inside the kidney, so the outer part is a convex shape and inner part is a concave shape. So, this part we call it as cortex and the inner part we call it as medulla, right. So, inside the medulla we can see many calyces is present and this region is known as hilus, right. So, here in the cortex region we can see many number of millions of nephrons. Nephrons are the structural and functional unit of the kidneys. So, when the blood is received into the nephrons will filter the waste products from the blood and the waste product is sent through the long tubules. Here you can see the long tube that goes from the kidney, right. So, this long tubules both the kidneys. So, this long tubules are called as ureters. So, the waste products that is known as urine, right. The urine is removed from the blood and it is sent through the ureters, the long tubules, right. So, the ureters in the one edge it is connected with kidney, the other end it is connected with the urinary bladder. So, here you can see the urinary bladder. So, both the ureters are connected to the urinary bladder. So, once the urinary bladder gets filled with the urine is eliminated, excreted through the opening which is known as urethra. So, in our human excretory system, what are the parts? What are the human excretory system consists of? A pair of ureters, then a urinary bladder and urethra. So, these are all the things that present in the human excretory system. So, in the next class, we will see in detail about the structure of the kidney and the structure of the nephron, right. So, with this, I will end up the session. In the next class, I will meet you with a detailed description of kidney. So, thank you for watching. Have a good day.